This video is AI generated, but powered by human intelligence, so the AI snobs can relax. Imagine a fully autonomous AI worker inside your Microsoft 365, answering emails, generating reports, analyzing data, and even building workflows without you touching a button. Welcome to Agent 365, Microsoft's biggest leap in AI automation, designed to automate your entire digital workplace across Microsoft 365, Copilot, SharePoint, and more. This isn't just another Copilot update. It's about bringing AI employees directly into your organization. Agent 365 is Microsoft's new agentic AI system that automates tasks end-to-end, understanding goals rather than just prompts. It works seamlessly within your Microsoft 365 environment, connecting to your apps, data, and workflows using small, specialized agents that collaborate. Think of it like hiring 5 different employees: a document writer, a data analyst, a security officer, an automation engineer, and a meeting assistant, all working together instantly and securely. Agent 365 uses a new architecture combining OpenAI o1 with Microsoft orchestration, allowing it to plan, reason, execute, fix mistakes, and deliver outputs autonomously. Agent 365 performs tasks in 4 key steps, starting with understanding your intent. For example, you could say, prepare our sales report, send it to the leadership team, and update the dashboard. Agent 365 then breaks this down into subtasks. Next, multi-agent collaboration kicks in, with different agents handling data extraction, email drafting, visualization, and security checks. It then executes these tasks across various apps like SharePoint, OneDrive, Teams, Power BI, and Outlook. Finally, continuous monitoring ensures that if something fails, Agent 365 fixes the workflow itself, a significant advantage over normal Copilot. Agent 365 offers scenario-based agents, providing ready-made solutions for HR onboarding, sales pipelines, compliance, and operations management. You can also create custom agents using natural language, like instructing it to check SharePoint for new PDF invoices, extract data, update Excel, and send a summary. This eliminates the need for Power Automate or coding, building everything automatically. Agent 365 also enables autonomous data workflows, pulling data from Fabric, creating models, generating dashboards, and emailing weekly insights. This can eliminate up to 70% of manual report work, freeing up valuable time. Enterprise-grade security is a game changer, as Agent 365 runs inside your tenant, adheres to Microsoft's compliance, and follows your intra-ID permissions. It uses role-based access, logs every action, and follows DLP and purview policies, making it trustworthy over third-party AI bots. Consider real business use cases like automated HR onboarding, where Agent 365 can create accounts, provision access, and assign training modules. For sales automation, it can sync CRM data, update dashboards, generate client proposals, and draft monthly performance reviews, making your revenue team AI-assisted. In compliance and audit, Agent 365 runs risk scans, checks permissions, flags unusual behavior, and generates audit-ready PDF reports. For finance and operations, it monitors budget sheets, builds cash flow summaries, extracts invoice data, and alerts finance teams instantly. This is Microsoft's shift from AI assistants to AI workers, allowing organizations to cut repetitive tasks by 70 to 90% and speed up decision-making. It also improves security audits, frees employees for strategic work, standardizes processes, reduces errors, and lowers operational costs. While powerful, agents can go rogue if prompts are unclear, and strict permission setup is crucial. Multi-step tasks may still require human approval, and there's an initial learning curve for admins. Microsoft plans a marketplace for pre-built agents, cross-tenant automation, and integration with external apps like Salesforce. We are moving toward a future where every employee has an AI coworker, and every department has multiple AI agents working behind the scenes. Agent 365 is not just an upgrade. It's a revolution in how work gets done. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What agent should Microsoft build next?